I've designed and 3D printed a lot of plants, but these are the top 5 most useful. This is a lily pad that holds your drinks while you're at the pool. The petals grab onto the can so it doesn't spill to keep your drink dry. This is a moon cactus that unfolds to hold your phone when you're at the table. And since the stem spins all the way around, you can put it right back into the pot when you're done watching. But if you're trying to keep track of which plant is the most useful, you can take a pen from the bamboo ends and write on a post-it note from the built-in dispenser. The second most useful plant makes your house smell better because it has a spot for incense and these fan blade leaves to spread the smell around your room. But the number 1 most useful plant is this cactus coaster set.